Think learning English is always perfect and aesthetic? Think again. Today, I'll show you my real 24 hours and teach you 20 essential phrases. Expectation versus reality English edition. Let's dive in. Every single morning, I rise with the sun. I feel refreshed, peaceful, and ready to conquer the day. But actually, I hit the snooze button 10 times. I'm a complete zombie. Where is my coffee? For breakfast, I choose a nutritious smoothie bowl. It is not just food, it is fuel for my brain. Reality check, I'm starving, so I'm eating this cold pizza for Monday. Don't judge me, it's delicious. Now it's time to master English with zero distractions. Focus and discipline are the keys to success. Wait, I got distracted again. I've been watching funny videos for 2 hours. I am a master of procrastination. Time for a workout. No pain, no gain. Staying in shape is my top priority. Let's push the limits. Does walking to the fridge count as cardio? I'm just going to the store to buy some healthy chips.
The perfect evening means going out with my friends and having deep conversations in fluent English.
The truth? I'm exhausted. Just me, my cat, and my favorite TV show. This is my perfect me time.
Remember, wake up is opening your eyes, but get up is leaving the bed. I'm still in bed. When you are so hungry that you get angry, you are hangry. Are you feeling hangry right now? To procrastinate means to delay your work. Tell me in the comments, are you a procrastinator? A couch potato is someone who stays on the sofa all day. Are you a gym rat or a couch potato?